Hi, my name's Aaniya Jain. I'm from India and I'm going to be entering my third year under Cell and Molecular Biology. I attended Pathways School Gurgaon in India and I took, it's an IB school, and I took a lot of science subjects because that's where I saw my inclination being at the time. And I think looking at the content in biology, that's what really pulled me towards it. So I chose UCD in Ireland because I feel like there were multiple factors that drove that decision. Firstly, one of the most important being it's an English-speaking university. Secondly, I saw the importance it gave under the research opportunities it provides for life sciences and personally my own course. I entered UCD under the Common Entry Science program, where I chose to explore the biological, biomedical, and biomolecular sciences. For third and fourth year, I chose to specialize in cell and molecular biology. I think the highlight for my first 2 years has been that going from just studying the conceptual part of biology, I've been able to use it in practical knowledge by attending a lot of practical classes and laboratories. And I feel like that's really shaped me in what I want to do in the future. Even though I had a whole fuss about choosing my degree subject, I feel like I've gotten a calling for research and being in the lab. And it can always obviously change, but I think for now that's where my calling is. The best experiences I've had is that the fact that Dublin's basically on the coastline, so I get to visit the beaches, which are really close by, and also I get to go for hikes every other weekend because the hills are so close by, so it's best of both worlds. I feel like I have 2 pieces of advice to give to the students that'll be coming. The first being, don't overthink it. Every decision you're going to make is going to pan out for you. And the second is that you should know your the staff around you and the teachers and the professors, because it's important to socialize outside your school itself, but it's also important to know the people who are teaching you because they know the best for you.